Guys, today we're hosting a hackathon here at House of AI. It's I think 1 hour early, but people are already arriving and Luis is like in the trenches.
Bro, this morning we're like, okay, so how should we do the challenge thing? Oh, where's the submission links? Oh, okay, here.
Yeah, preparation.
We have not set up anything here, bro. Like everyone is so late, bro.
Since I cried, I got no dog left in the fight. The ball don't match the bite.
What's up?
What's
people?
up?
Welcome to a hackathon in San Francisco. We're excited, the engineers are excited, the builders, we're gonna have a good time. Are you ready? Nvidia sponsoring, OpenAI, Daytona, is this incredible? Are you excited? Chris, are you excited?
I'm very excited. You're a bit too excited, okay?
How many people are there? What do you think?
I think like maybe 60, 70.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that's good.
That's
I mean,
good.
for nobody's from Berlin.
I'm very excited for all of you to be here. I'm Christian. I'm one of the founders here of House of AI.
I don't have such a nice pitch prepared like Christian. I'm actually Luis. I'm one of the co-founders of Open Company. I've built a company before and we're from Berlin. You can tell my German accent is very strong, but I hope you can understand me still. I'm here with a group of 4 other guys who are just here to really experience DSF dream. We're building a product. We got here 24 days ago. We have the first early beta out now. Are you guys stoked? Yeah! And now I give you the stuff to scan. Good luck, and I'm excited to see what you build.
I think I made it. I think I made it because I'm always smiling and you're the real.
What's the vibe check?
It's looking pretty solid. Honestly, like a lot better than expected.
Are you also building something?
I thought about it, but honestly, I think I'm just gonna go work on Open Company. Just
Priorities, mate. Priorities.
work basically like it's any other day. Just chatting with like a few engineers here and there, seeing what they're building.
The challenge here.
Yeah, for sure. Like I'm honestly quite surprised that we have like some people from Code in Berlin. That's also like on there's one German. And you can already hear that
What are you
accent.
building today? You just said you built nothing, but there are cool people here from code and stuff.
My name is terrible.
Alright guys, halftime. How are we feeling? Everything going well? Yeah?
Hungry.
Keep crushing it. Pizza is coming soon. Push through, yeah? Good job, guys.
Big announcement.
Scaring people.
What is happening?
It's halftime. 3 more hours to go. People are locked in. We have good music. It's a fun event. I really like it. How do you like it?
Everybody's hungry.
I like it as well, yeah.
But I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry as well. I'm just waiting for the pizza.
What are you working on for the video? We want to know what people are building.
I'm working on some chips in my mouth.
Perfect. In the meantime, we ask you. So, tell us. Yes. What's going on? What are you working on? Who are you? Why are you in SF?
I'm Sven. I'm just building stuff. I'm working right now on a tool for ideating people to basically outreach to different kinds of people, getting emails drafted, getting the right ICPs found quicker and faster. Yeah.
And you're also from Germany. What brought you to SF?
So I'm doing my studies here in Berkeley, finishing them up. Yeah. Awesome.
Glad you're here, man.
So cool.
I'm done eating.
So, what are you working on? Tell us. Tell the world. Tell YouTube.
So I'm a radiologist and I'm currently developing or fine-tuning models for image analysis, and that's a manual process that's like 90% plumbing and it really sucks. So I'm working on an agentic system that does that for me automatically. So it like generates results from models and evaluation data and compares them, and then it also does an online literature research and tells me what's already out there in literature, and if my results are better than what's already there.
Cool. And now the version that my mom understands?
Oh, I haven't worked on that yet. It's kind of like, maybe like this. So AI models make our life easier in radiology, but evaluating if they really do or not is manual work, which is 90% plumbing, and I'm trying to automate this part.
Incredible. Good luck. I'm excited to see the demo.
And you, yeah.
Nice. My guy, how is it going? Do you mind if you're on a YouTube video? Oh my gosh. What are you working on? Tell us. Tell the people. It's your moment of fame for the 1,700 subscribers I have.
So I'm trying to build a system that would give the end users some privacy control on the type of interactions they can have in any LLMs. So it's kind of like user can define what kind of control they want, and they can connect their personal devices, like health devices like that.
What's your background? Like, what brought you today? Are you from SF?
Yeah. I work for Zillow.
Cool. Zillow, we love that. I used it before. It's good.
Is it?
Well then, happy hacking.
Thank you.
Best of luck. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Today. I need the luck. Alright guys, who wants to share YouTube what you're working on? Quick pitches. You get 20 seconds. What are you working on?
I don't know.
Okay, 20 seconds.
I'm working on a conflict resolution system that listens to your different meeting conversations and utilizes Tably APIs and Daytona sandboxes to kind of run your system or maybe research more about your topics and come to a coherent decision based on what you guys are talking about and analyze its reports.
This looks so cool. It looks very fancy. Good job.
Okay, thank you.
Are you gonna finish in the next 2.5 hours or so?
I am already finished.
Oh, you're just
So
hanging
I'm
out.
just improving on
just for the vibes.
Yeah, just for the vibes. Like right now, it is working.
Now it's your 20 seconds of fame for my 1,700 subscribers on YouTube.
I'm trying to find a way to better critique articles than a single pass through an LLM could. So just trying to figure out how to structure the critique and make it actually productive.
Cool. So one agent saying like, hey, what's the weakness, what's the strength, discussing a bit, and then giving you a well-grounded, actually useful critique.
Yeah, because when you just do a single pass through an LLM, it has to stick in one context, and you get like the surface level evaluation.
Awesome.
So.
What are you working on?
I'm trying to solve the scientific reproducibility crisis with an agent swarm. So over 50% of science can't be reproduced, so they have a result that nobody else can replicate. And so I'm using a team of agents that essentially takes a paper, extracts the methodology, and then writes a script for a lab automation robot called OpenTrons to try all of the liquids and see if they actually get the same result. And then I also have a dry lab mode, which will just run a GitHub repo or library if it's linked to the article to see if it gets the same figures and even just like the dependencies install correctly.
So it's focused on chemistry, or like what's the use case?
More like biomedical.
Biomedical?
Yeah.
Cool.
And I'm using Daytona for all of the scripts and Tably to scrape the articles.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Nice. Like, what's your background? Like, it's a very unique, niche thing.
Yeah, definitely more science. I spent a lot of time in academia, so I've seen this problem firsthand. I mean, we spend months literally doing something just to notice that the paper we were replicating didn't even work. So yeah, this would be
something for yourself.
Yeah.
Awesome. How old are you?
I am 17.
Incredible. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep crushing it. Found so many talented people. Where's the youngest person? I want to find our 13-year-old kid over there. So you are the youngest person today joining the hackathon, just 13 years old. That is incredible. What are you working on today?
I'm working on a project that reads what you do while you do it, and then generates a web page for you, which is automatically updated, so that you can show to investors without having to worry about all that. And it just shows it, and you can get investors a lot easier.
When did you start coding?
Last year.
With 12 years old. My man, you're crushing it. Good luck.
Thanks.
You like the sunset?
Very good.
What about you guys? How are the vibes? How do you like it?
Really good.
Yeah.
We like it so far.
Awesome. Are you as excited as me for the beer later?
Yeah.
Not for you. Not for you. Oh, I feel their focus.
That's enough people that you annoyed for today.
Thanks.
Yeah. They have, how many hours do they have?
2 hours, 15 minutes.
Mm.
Damn, that's submission time. But
And
it's so
then?
fun.
What happens then?
We're gonna review the top 10 submissions. They get the chance to demo on stage, and we'll vote for the winner. So it's gonna be cool.
What does the winner get?
Well, it depends on what track they're choosing. You know, we have Nvidia sponsoring some prizes, we have Daytona, etc. So it really depends on the track they choose. Let's go. And they get glory and fame, of course.
Do you already have like a guess who could be the winner?
Hard to tell. All of them are deep into the weeds of just coding and doing things. So don't know yet. We'll see.
How's the hackathon going so far, Christian?
The hackathon? I mean, I'm actually just amazed by the atmosphere. You know, it's hard to capture probably on video, but like this hovering, like the music in the background, everyone's like talking a little bit. People are like just working. I wish this was here every weekend. I mean, if anyone is up for it, tell me. We can organize this all the time.
Perfect. Yes.
Ich hasse euch.
Denk nicht dran. Mach ein.
Okay, for a big moment. Okay, everybody, we have 1 hour left. Please record your looms. Thank you. Let's go back up.
Let's go back.
Job done. Everybody, real quick. You only have like 1 hour left. You're really pushing hard. It looks good. Please don't forget to record your looms so we can review them easily. And best of luck for the last hour, last sprint.
Let's go!
Let's go!
That was so good.
Approved by Luis?
Yeah.
Feedback?
Good, thank you. Good is like amazing, top notch, like 10 out of 10. Couldn't have done it better. Like, yeah,
Louis
that's
is
like Louis. I translated it for you.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks, Louis, for the amazing feedback.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like
Yo, I need some brain like Bay, let me see how you thinking. Me and what's out there, bro, like you. See in the clock just ticking.
Yo, time's up.
Yeah.
Hey, am I in the video?
No.
Please.
We will announce the top 6 who get the chance to present, and the cool part is you guys get to vote who wins. Woo! Okay, perfect. That's the reaction I want.
Everyone, I'm Alexi. I'm a high schooler here from SF.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a radiologist.
How many of you guys have prompting before?
Or does it fix the original vulnerability in the first place?
You can help people build applications and businesses very fast.
And they're way more likely to respond to an email because they think you took the effort to actually listen to them.
Great, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
I loved it. Yeah. Honestly, the demo was more a bit wonky, like a bit unprepared, a bit, like had to wait quite a long time to get like a result. But honestly, it was quite fine. I really like the ideas, especially the first one from the German, like American guy back there. Yeah. Was more for like a pitch competition, I think. Like the product itself wasn't like quite there yet, but I just loved the idea for sure.
We only have 1%, so this is the outro. This is the outro. This is the outro. This is the outro. This is the outro.
Oh,
the
baby
outro.
girl, I try to give you all my time.